So let me tell you what has been happening to my phone recently. I just discovered that I've been seeing syncing mail for the past 2 days. I waited for like 24 hours to see if it's going to go off, but it's not going off. It's not showing that it's going anywhere. So how do you fix this if you see something like this? So if I go to my Gmail, I will see the information I was trying to send to someone in my outbox, and it's not delivering for some days. So and that's why I'm seeing syncing mail and it's having some issues. So the app is full. So let's go to settings. You go to settings on your phone. When you get to settings, you have many things here. So you are going to look for app or app management on your phone. You click on app management or apps, you are going to see app settings, permission manager. So let's click on app settings. You are going to see all apps here. So you want to click on Gmail, and let's look for Gmail. You click on Gmail, then what to do is click on storage and cache, then you clear storage. When you are done with that, if you click down, you will see that it is gone. It's no more there. So you can reboot your phone. After you are done rebooting your phone, you want to go to the Gmail and see the message you are trying to, yes, so new in Gmail. So you have to start all over again. So let's go in. The messages outbox, nothing in outbox. So I'm going to have to resend the message again. Thank you very much. If you enjoy this tutorial, please kindly subscribe to my channel. There is no mail syncing anymore, so it's solved.